Hi there, everyone. Welcome back to Speak English Basics. I'm Alex, and I'm thrilled to guide you today.
And I'm Maria, an English learner just like you. Today, we're diving into a super fun topic, talking about your culture in English.
That's right. Whether you're introducing your culture to new friends in an interview or traveling abroad, this lesson will help you share your unique cultural background confidently.
I can't wait to get started. Let's go. Visual aid, a slide with the definition of culture and images of traditional clothing, festivals, and food.
Maria, do you know what culture means?
Thinking. I think it's about traditions, food, music, and maybe clothing?
Exactly. Culture refers to the customs, beliefs, art, and way of life of a group of people. It's what makes each country, region, or community unique.
That's so interesting. So, when someone asks about my culture, I can talk about traditions, food, music, and more?
Yes, absolutely. And today we'll teach you how to do that step by step. Visual aid, a list of phrases like in my culture, we usually celebrate. One famous tradition is. Maria, let's start with some basic phrases. Repeat after me. In my culture, we usually. One famous tradition is. We celebrate, name a festival, every year. Our traditional food is.
Repeating. In my culture, we usually. One famous tradition is. We celebrate, name a festival, every year. Our traditional food is.
These phrases are like your cultural toolkit.
Oh, I see. They help me begin talking about my culture. Visual aid. Pictures of global festivals like Diwali, Christmas, Lunar New Year, and Carnival.
Let's talk about festivals. Maria, what is a big celebration in your culture? Let's talk about festivals. Maria, what is a big celebration in your culture?
Amazing. Now, let's practice describing it. Use the structure.
Let's talk about festivals. Maria, what is a big celebration in your culture? It is special because people usually.
Okay. We celebrate Diwali in October or November. It is special because it symbolizes the victory of light over darkness. People usually light lamps, decorate their homes, and share sweets.
Applauding. Well done, Maria. That's a great description.
Thanks. This structure makes it so easy to explain. Visual aid. Pictures of traditional dishes like sushi, tacos, biryani, and pasta.
Food is a big part of every culture. Maria, what's a traditional dish in your culture?
In my culture, biryani is very popular.
Let's describe it. Use this structure. A traditional dish in my culture is. It is made with. People usually eat it during.
All right. A traditional dish in my culture is biryani. It is made with rice, spices, and either chicken, lamb, or vegetables. People usually eat it during special occasions or family gatherings.
Fantastic. Remember, you can also add your favorite foods from your culture.
I will. Talking about food is so fun.
Now let's talk about clothing. Maria, what is traditional clothing in your culture?
In my culture, women often wear saris.
Great. Let's use this structure. In my culture, traditional clothing is. It is usually worn during. Looks like.
Got it. In my culture, traditional clothing is the sari. In my culture, traditional clothing is the sari. It looks like a long piece of colorful fabric wrapped around the body.
That's perfect, Maria. Traditions and customs are what make cultures unique. Maria, can you share a tradition from your culture?
Yes. In my culture, we touch the feet of elders to show respect.
That's wonderful. Let's practice explaining it. Use this structure. One tradition in my culture is. It is done to. People usually.
Okay. One tradition in my culture is touching the feet of elders. It is done to show respect and seek blessings. People usually do this during important events like weddings or festivals.
Beautifully explained. Maria, what kind of art or music is famous in your culture?
Classical dance and music are very famous in my culture.
Let's describe it. Use this structure. A popular art form in my culture is. It is known for. People enjoy it during.
All right. A popular art form in my culture is classical dance. It is known for its graceful movements and storytelling. People enjoy it during festivals and cultural events.
Fantastic work, Maria. Great job today, Maria. You've learned how to talk about your culture confidently in English.
Thank you, Alex. This lesson was so helpful. I can't wait to share my culture with others.
And to our viewers, Practice these tips with your friends, family, or even in front of a mirror. Don't forget to share your cultural stories in the comments below.
Yes, we'd love to hear about your culture.
See you next time on Speak English Basics.